Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trini here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you're having an awesome day, my wonderful friends. As I continue on my tips and strategies of online marketing here, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, let me give you a quick skinny about me. I have been doing online marketing for the past 2 years. I'm a digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur. And I tell you, it's a wonderful time, part of my life. I really enjoy it because for many years I was in the college of life, guys. And all I basically did was just work at Oris Julius. I worked at McDonald's. I worked at a department store. I looked after 6 kids for a few years. I also worked at a sheet metal shop until... Oh my God, so many things. I also did, I worked in a jewelry store, I worked in a gift shop. I was a busy lady doing so many things to earn an income, whatever I can do, and to earn a variety of different skills. But you know what? The best skill I had was when I worked a number of years back with my sister in Vancouver, and I was doing direct marketing, and that's what I got the taste of. I wanted to work online. Fast forward to a couple of years ago, because it was many years, I had a lot of ups and downs and issues in my life, that I decided that working online was the best thing, because I wanted the laptop lifestyle, as our birds are sharing today. The laptop lifestyle, the idea of working steady, working at home, choosing my own hours, earning an income to let me get through into retirement was amazing. So in the next segment, I have an invitation for you. Stay to the end, my lovely friends. It's going to be a good one. It's a very quick invitation to share with you. I really want you to see it as well. So give me a like and a comment if you enjoyed my video, as well as my channel, as well as subscribe to my channel if you're new. I tell you, I have many more beautiful tips and strategies of online marketing coming in the days and months to come as well. And don't forget to click the link below so you can get the next notification of my next video too. And down below in my description after the video, there's much more information for you to check out as well. See you in the next segment on the other side to success. Hello, 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 my lovely friends. I'm going to give this a second, see if anybody's going to come on. It is an unusual morning, but I thought I'd really give you a bit of a second here. Who's all going to come on and say hello? Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And it's unusually, somebody's making some lot of noise down below. Ooh, what interesting noise. Let's wait a second to see if anybody's going to come on and say hello. I know I'm a little bit early. Hello, hello. Welcome to my live today, whoever's coming on. Come visit me today as I share with you some interesting thoughts on this wonderful Wednesday, this beautiful winning Wednesday, shall we say, this lovely Wednesday. Hello, 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 whoever's coming on, say hello. Hey, Nadir, how you doing? I wanted to really give you a quick look at our little Miss Etta's enjoying the day. Say hello, Miss Etta. It's a really unusually noisy Miss Etta. Hello, she say hello, Miss Etta. Yes, indeed. Hello, hello, hello. It's coming out saying hello, hello, hello. I'm going to carry on anyways because, you know, hey, Tanya, how you doing, girl? Nice to see you. So I do want to share one thing. If you're checking this out live, say live, hashtag live, and tell me where you're tuning in from. If you're, shall we say, checking this out later on, hashtag replay, wherever you're coming from, whether it's Canada, United States, or wherever. Welcome to my live as I carry on and continue on this beautiful day. It's a little bit hazy today, but still a lovely day here on the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. And of course, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. If you see my glasses shading, it's because they are prescribed. So if I can't quite see what I'm doing, I need to have them shaded just in case. You know, I was thinking today, as I'm sitting quietly on my balcony, just enjoying this beautiful day, I really like Wednesdays. I call them my winning Wednesdays. Why? Let me share a little bit about myself. Of course, I am a digital marketer as well as an entrepreneur, and I have been for the past couple of years, and I really have enjoyed the beauty of working online. More so now the past 4 months since I've started a beautiful program. A program of enrichment, empowerment, as well as learning to understand how to build my business online, which is very well what we need to do, right? And so I share this with you today because, believe it or not, at 7 p.m. today, I'm inviting you to a webinar to explain this beautiful platform I'm on. A platform that's going to catapult those who are struggling online, trying to make a good, decent wage, or trying to earn some income, learn to understand how it is to become more successful online. And with the platform I'm on, it's exactly what I'm doing. Hey George, how you doing, dude? I really want to share this because 7 p.m. today, our webinar is going to be jam-packed amazing because I think we had 500 attendees last week. So that means how wonderful this platform is. It explains what this platform is all about with wonderful PowerPoint presentation, awesome testimonials, and rather fun and enjoyable because so many people around the world, because our beautiful community, our platform is international. So if you're struggling online, if you're having some issues, if you're newbie, it's newbie friendly, and you want to build your business the right way, I invite you to come to this webinar tonight at 7 p.m., like I said, Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, and 4 p.m. my time, was the Pacific time. And you're going to really learn and understand what this beautiful platform I am on is all about. Because you know what? I can spend some time to enjoy the beauty of my surroundings. I can do this a few times a day because whoop, that's the noise of the truck coming down the street. Because I can do this. The platform I'm on, I'm able to work 2 hours a day, do what I need to do to learn to build my business online, and then I can enjoy the time with my family, my friends, my enjoyment of my balcony, because I love it here in the West Coast of British Columbia, Canada. I love it when the weather's so beautiful, as it is the last day in September. Oh, tomorrow's October 1st already. And you know what's beautiful about this? I earn a really good consistent income because I do these daily tasks that I apply in the trainings I do with this platform I'm on. Enjoying building my business online, meeting new people, one-on-one connections. Excellent, I tell you. And of course, I get to spend a little time with my sweet little Etta on the balcony as she tours around. She's actually a good kitty cat. But let me show you a little bit more. It's a little bit hazy because the California fires are coming up here a bit, but not as bad as it was 2 weeks ago. But let me share with you anyways. So it's still a beautiful kind of a hazy day here in the West Coast of British Columbia. And I really wanted to get this share out to you today, my lovely friends. So I gave thanks to Nadir and Tanya and George. Hello, dude, for coming on and saying hello. As I carry out to enjoy my day, I get myself excited because this webinar is going to be jam-packed and awesome. So I invite you to be a part of this webinar. You're going to really see why I'm so happy these days. Why I love my Winning Wednesdays. Yes. Yes. 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Western BC Pacific time, and I'll leave the hey Asar, how you doing? I'll leave the registration to the webinar link in the comments below, in the comments as well. Plus I have it in my storyline too. Come quickly, come early because it gets jam-packed. Oh, we had 500 attendees last week. And I want to share one more thing. This beautiful community I'm on is over 1,100 strong, and past 3.5 months, we've paid out $300,000 in payouts. Amazing, right? So that's why I leave with you today, my lovely friends. Have an awesome day, and thank you for coming on and saying hello. I love you all, my wonderful friends. Have an awesome Winning Wednesday. Bye.